Alright, so this is pretty cool. This is the thing y'all bought me from Grandma. This little piece here slides directly on, just like this. You can have this little lever to pull it off. These little notches hold into these little notches. Here, you got to press this in, pull back, so it'll slide in. And then it locks itself in. I got a carrot here. Carrot. This is my mandolin. So basically this serves as what this serves as now. So with my mandolin, can make little chips like this. Well, with this thing, all you do is put this in, carrot in, start spinning. A little hard to do from this angle, but it's easier with it close to you. And it makes the same little chips. Now if I were to use something different, this piece, put my carrot in, spin it, and it shreds the carrot. Just like this part would on my mandolin. Same thing. Very cool little piece. I love it.